Hello again, Super Deformed collectors. I picked this one up loose. It's an interesting one because it's not a choro-q, although it looks just like it. This is first a Honda NBox. This is a vehicle I don't really know much about. It's a K-class car, so it's a really small van. Maybe a large golf cart would be a better description. But this is not choro-q. On the bottom it says Tarts, or T-Arts, Landwell 2015, and then here in the back it says Chums. So I looked up Chums. Chums is like an automotive accessory company. They make a lot of stuff like interior panels, carpets, and then other things that go along with cars. So I'm going to guess, since this is one of the cars that Chums modifies, they actually had this toy made by, I guess, Landwell or T-Arts, I'm not sure. And it says 2015 on the bottom of this thing. So it does have a screw, and I don't know, there must be a tab somewhere. Oh yeah, that's the tab holding the back end down. The tires are rubbery. These do look like choro-q wheels, but I guess they're not. And then it has stickers on it. First, the body is molded in this bluish color, but this thing is used. So the sun has made this thing green. If you look here, this looks green. I took a Q-tip and wiped it off, but it's just permanently green. You might be able to see it's a little green here, and then it turns to blue, because I'm going to guess this was just in a cabinet in the sun, and the UV faded it out. Alright, well, the windows are blacked out, not clear, which makes sense because the thing's opaque. It's not a clear plastic. I'm not sure. I'm going to guess there was a sticker here at some point, but it's gone now. Just a residue is left behind. White paint for those lights up there, as well as silver paint down here. The Honda badge is printed on silver. Nice ribbing there. Black paint, looks pretty good. This side we have, the sticker here. There's a sticker of the Chums logo here. Some scratching there. The back, just blacked out taillights, two stickers again. This roof rack is made of plastic and it actually broke there. Crazy glued it back. It's really dirty. You can see I took a Q-tip in, but still it's really dirty in here. So this is just displayed by the previous person. But since I'd never seen this or had any toy made by one of these companies, I figured I'd pick it up. And I do like K-class vehicles. I like their cartoonish proportions. In fact, this actually looks realistic because the car is so cartoonish in the first place. This could actually almost fit in with your 1/64 scale collection. But we're not talking about that today, so let's just look at a couple other cartoon boxy vehicles here. First of which, one of the leaders of these K-class vehicles is Daihatsu. So this is a Daihatsu Move Custom, it says on the back, and this is by choro-q. It has 3D printed wheels. Suzuki also makes a lot of K-class vehicles. This is a Suzuki Wagon RRR. That's a dumb name, one of the dumbest names in history. But that one's got some sort of Hot Wheels or Majorette wheels on it. Alright, this next one, I don't think it's a K-class, but it's still a pretty cool boxy vehicle. It's a Toyota BB, and that's by choro-q. And the last one is a Nissan Cube. Not a K-class either, but very boxy. So I'd say, this Chums vehicle is very similar to choro-q in size. What I like about it, though, is there's no coin holder like the choro-qs have, so you can just see more of the vehicles. Seems to be the same width, around the same length. The height looks a bit off because this one's lowered with poster putty. In fact, they're all lowered. But if these are running the standards heights, they'd probably be quite similar. So this one is also a pullback motor, Alright. So it's nice to see other brands making super deformed vehicles. I did a search, I couldn't find anything else by these companies, so I think this is just a one-off deal. I don't mind the blacked out windows. What I do mind are the stickers. They're pretty weak. You know, stickers are just kind of toy. They're too toy-like. Yeah, and then also, I guess the fading of the plastic, that's an issue, but that's pretty much because of the previous owner, not necessarily by these companies here that made this thing. So, choro-qs or anything, even a die-cast car will fade if it's put in the sun. So, keep that in mind. But plastic, I think, fades perhaps faster than a painted die-cast. I might be mistaken. I guess it depends on the grade of plastic. You know, some plastics don't fade if they have UV stabilizers in them. But this being just a pullback toy, they probably bought the cheapest plastic they possibly could. Alright, well, anyways, if you guys do know of any other vehicles by one of these companies, Chums, T-Arts, or whatever that Well company was, let me know. I might pick them up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Super Deformed review. Bye.